You'll notice that the screen, I don't know if you could see on an angle here, but it's damaged. Let's fix it, and we'll show you exactly step by step on how to do that. Even my son, which is 12 years old, can actually do it. Yeah, I know it's been a while since we've actually recorded anything. Diego's laptop, he has an Asus Chromebook. We went online instead of purchasing a brand new one. It's like $400. Found out that we can actually purchase the screen for, I think with shipping and everything, it was like $109. Instead of dumping or spending $400 on a brand new system, why not fix? And we'll show you exactly step by step on how to do that. Even my son, which is 12 years old, can actually do it. To get to the LCD screen, you got to remove the plastic all around the LCD. You open it up, obviously, and then you just basically pull on nice and gently without trying to break it, and follow it all the way around, and it'll slowly pop off. You'll hear the clicks. Do it over here in the middle. There you go. Yeah, you don't want to pull too hard on the plastic because you could bend it and break the plastic. And make sure you're in a warm environment. There you go. And then you just pull up on it and voila! Now you have access to the LCD screen. The goal is to remove all 4 screws. So there's one here, one up there, another one there, and another one right there. So you unscrew all of those screws, which are here. Go ahead, bud. We have a very small screwdriver that can actually fit these screws. And you don't want to lose any of those screws because we're going to have to reuse them for the new LCD screen. Excellent. So now they say on the website is to just pull on the LCD and put it forward. Really that simple. And there's a little clip right here. So you'll notice there's plastic that's actually holding it down, the clip. You need to peel that back. And again, try not to ruin it because you gotta reuse it. Don't let it slide too much. Doesn't matter, it's already broken anyway. It's still LCD. Don't pull it all the way off. And what you're gonna do is slide that connector right off. See inside here, there's like a little connector that you can, I don't know, my eyeballs are like really bad. So the tape is just to hold the component in place. This connector goes right into here, and you just have to, it literally just slid right out, no problem. So here's the replacement. You put the tape down so that it holds it in place. He's gonna slide it back up, and then he's gonna put the actual screws back into all 4 locations. Before you start screwing all 4 of them in, why don't you power it on and see if it actually lights up. And if it lights up, then you know that the connector is on right. Is that not lighting up? Look at that!
Nice.
Excellent. So now you know that the actual connector is fantastic. He did a great job. He just puts in the 4 screws, and then we'll put the casing back on. So we'll show you those steps. Wonderful job, bud. So now you're saving yourself how much money here? $300, I'd say. So here's a trick too, is you can put the screw at the tip of your screwdriver. Be careful that screwdriver is, you're gonna scratch it if you're pulling through. Yeah, put it at the tip, hold it with your finger. There you go, and then just go guide it directly into where the screw's gonna go. And you will drop the screws here and there. No big deal, you just pick it back up. Tight enough, not to the point where you're gonna strip it, but tight enough to actually hold the LCD in place. He's using his thumbs. Excellent. Now, what does that say right there?
Remove protecting film.
There you go. So now you can peel off the satisfying plastic. Ooh-wee. Look at that screen. And what's the only thing you're missing now? Exactly. So he's putting it in on both sides, and then basically it just snaps in easy breezy. You hear the clicks? All you do is make sure that everything is clipped in on all the sides, and then voila! You have your laptop. Oh, are you telling me it's not working anymore now? Yeah, it was lit, but press it just once. That's it. Just leave it. Guess what? I think you gotta do it again. Or it could be that you're powering it on and off, and it's just give it a few moments, and maybe it'll come out. Oh, I just saw it splash. No, you know what probably happened? When you were pushing down on this stuff, it might have disconnected the... So you gotta go back in there and get it.
A few moments later.
Okay, and so now we're gonna test it out.
For the first time. For the first time, definitely not.
First time, now that you've clipped all the sides, they're all in nice and tight. You give her power up. The light turns on, and voila! You got your laptop. Another thing too is it's always best to replace the screen because there might be data on the actual hard drive that you wanna keep, pictures or videos or music and all that other stuff. Again, if the computer is powering up and you see lights but nothing's being displayed, kind of look on it at an angle. It might show up as the LCD is damaged. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but it's pretty damaged. You could tell the liquid in there, the LCD is all kind of mucked up. So yeah, that's how to replace an LCD screen on an Asus Chromebook. Very simple. And the model number was 202S, if you're wondering. All right, thanks very much for joining us. Any outro? Thanks for watching. Take care now. So how do you feel, mister, now that you have a brand new, well, not brand new, but the laptop has been replaced. So let's power it on again, and let's see if she starts up. What do you think? Any second now. Any second.